Space Goat! Space Goat! Space Goat! Coast to coast.
With a history of eyes looking toward space harkening back centuries in what is now New Mexico, a plethora of places are notable for their stellar spaces in entertainment. Space Goat lands at the top 5 obscure space sites in New Mexico used in out-of-this-world storytelling.
Number 5.
Jed the Dead. Alan Dean Foster's 1997 novel tells the tale of a Texan traveling through Otero County and discovering a mummified alien. What should he do? Call the authorities? Hide the ET? Sell the mummy for millions? No. Our hero takes the alien, whom he dubs Jed, on tour. Foster is an award-winning writer as well as a composer and calls the western United States home.
Number 4.
The Man Who Fell to Earth. In this 1976 film, David Bowie starred as an alien whose spacecraft crashes not just on Earth, but in New Mexico. His mission? Take water to his drought-ridden world. Weird place to touch down because New Mexicans live with an ever-present drought. The alien embraces the American dream. He becomes rich and never does get back home, which may explain why he becomes an alcoholic alien. Filming took place at a number of true space-related areas such as Alamogordo, Artesia, where astronaut Dr. Edgar Mitchell grew up, and, Roswell.
Number 3.
Ghosts of Mars. Producers of this 2001 film needed a landscape of red to simulate the red planet. So, they went to a gypsum mine near San Isidro and sprayed 40 acres with a vegetable dye. That done, the plot could get underway. Martian spirits possessed the population of miners. Lots of explosions at the film's climax, though, seem to solve that problem, as well as what to do with set cleanup. The blast also blew them up.
Number 2.
Them. The world's first atomic bomb detonation at White Sands Proving Ground created a weapon and a means to eventually power spacecraft. But there was a side effect. Ants got big. Really big. While actually filmed in the Mojave Desert, the location is meant to depict the White Sands National Park. Signs in the sheriff's office identify the location as Alamogordo and Otero County. In addition, law enforcement wears New Mexico State Police uniforms, the design still used today.
Number 1.
On the threshold of space. For decades during the space age, Holloman Air Force Base was the site for many space-related tests. Among them are Dr. John Stapp's rocket sled run to 632 miles per hour and a dead stop in about 6.4 seconds. As well as Joe Kittinger's parachute testing jump from 102,800 feet. On the Threshold of Space, a 1956 film that depicts such studies in the aeromedical field, used Holloman as one filming site. And that was also where the film premiered. Thanks, Space Goat, for the guided tour to these obscure space sites. Be sure to follow and like us on Facebook and YouTube. And check us out on nmspacemuseum.org. Better yet, visit us in person in Alamogordo. Space Goat never knows what he'll discover around the land of enchantment, and you never know what's new at the New Mexico Museum of Space History.